Hi everyone! Medyo palamig na sa Belgium and gusto kong magluto ng nilagang baka. So, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano namin lutuin. So, this is all what we got in the Asian store for the nilagang baka. So, ayan, meron ako ditong mga soap bone. It's really good in the soup. I really like this than the meat itself. So I'm gonna wash them. Like, I know I'm reading a lot of comments about this is the right way to cook or like this and that, but this is how I learned how to cook, and I'm gonna stick to them because till now I'm cooking this for my family or for myself, and we find it really good. So, you know, I understand that everybody has their own way to cook. But yeah, no hard feelings, let's say. There's a bit fat on it, and it's so easy to like make this salt. I got 4 to add it in my nilagang baka. Sobrang paborito ko talaga yung soup na to. Kasi naalala ko back home in the Philippines, we only afford to like cook this kind of dish when like we have a big occasion because it's very expensive. Like my grandma cooked it for us when it's only Christmas, let's say. So it's also, and my grandma is now in heaven, and rest in peace to her, and I really miss her so much. So every time I cook this, it reminds me really of her. I'm gonna get the cord because I want to put it together already with the soup, because this is also difficult to, like, I mean, it's longer to make them soft, so you know, to save time also, because I'm just gonna do, I will just pressure cooker everything like in 30 minutes. Now I will just need to cut the corn smaller. That's a bit too big.
You want me to do it?
So now I have also the corn cut already. I'm gonna add the water on this. I will add also already dahon ng laurel and also pamintang buo. Like that. Already a bit of salt. Like that, not too much. Let's cut it to 2. So yeah, put to the pressure cooker. It's already plugged in. And here you're gonna put pressure cooker. I will put the time for 30 minutes and we start it. Now we're gonna wait 30 minutes, and while I'm waiting for 30 minutes, I'm gonna do the rest of the vegetable, which is, I have here the cabbage. This is the last thing that you put in the nilagang baka for me. Then we need potatoes. So our potatoes are already filled and washed. We're gonna like boil them in a minute. And now I'm busy with my cabbage. Just have to do cut in 2. Actually, I'm missing one vegetable, which is the beans. I forgot to buy it, but this will go without it. Put them to wash. I already boiled water, so it's more faster. And we're gonna put the potatoes And then when they're soft, we're just gonna also use the strainer to take them out. And it's already soft. So we need to separate them already now from the water. So now it's cooked, finished in the pressure cooker. So I want to transfer it here because I still want to add water. I want to add some seasonings. So we're gonna put nor beef cube like that. Want to add fish sauce. 2 sandok.
Eh? You having fun? You having fun with your plate? Yeah.
We're gonna add a bit of water because we like the soup so much. And yeah, just let it boil for a bit and then try it if it tastes good already, and then it's ready to serve. I'm gonna put this also to already like. So hi guys, our baby is awake, so daddy's taking over, but all he has to do is to
Drop some potatoes. All I have to do is drop these potatoes inside.
and he already like tastes it also. It just it's okay, okay na yung timpla, so hindi na kami nag-add ng kung ano.
That's
So,
a lot.
so yeah, that's it. It's ready to serve. Yay, finally food is ready, so we're gonna eat. We're really starving because we didn't have lunch. And we waited for this one really. So great.
Wow, from life.
Have like 4 pieces of bone marrow here, so it's really good. Gives extra taste. Meron ako ditong patis with sili. Easy. It's hot. Oh, bone marrow. Bone marrow. Whew, that's really good, the soup. Everything. We're full and happy right now, and yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, notification bell, and leave the comment below. And thank you for
Well, thank you for your support, and
Yeah.
we'll see you on the next one.
bye.